Jordan here with US Abrasives out of Minnesota, USA. Today I'm excited to talk about a product that's been a game changer for us in the Midwest. The Epic High Performance Floor Finish. This is not just any floor finish, it's a zero VOC urethane solution that revolutionizes floor care. With Epic, you can say goodbye to the hassle of frequent stripping and buffing. We're talking about long lasting protection for 3 to 5 years or more, even in high traffic areas. What sets Epic apart is its ease of application. It's super easy to put down compared to similar products in the industry, saving you significant amounts of time, labor, and materials. Plus, it's environmentally friendly and supports indoor air quality, making it a responsible choice for your flooring needs. Epic is truly a great product. We've seen tremendous success with it here in the Midwest. If you're looking for a durable, cost effective, and easy to maintain floor finish, Epic is the way to go. For more information, message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives out of Minnesota, USA. You folks know the wet grind, and when it comes to cleaning up, you don't want any fuss. That's where Tech Pro Congels comes in. Concrete grinding is tough work when it's wet, and it leaves behind some even tougher wastewater. But Congels, it's like magic. Pour it into your wastewater and watch that messy slurry turn into a clean gel. No fuss, no mess, just scoop it into a bag and you're done. Environmentally friendly and safe for landfill disposal is a simple solution for your toughest cleanup challenges. For the pros out there dealing with hard to handle rinse water, Congels is your new best friend. Keep your job site clean, keep the EPA off your back. For more information, message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives out of Minnesota, USA. Today I want to talk to you about one of our top sellers, the Rhombus Double 16 grit soft bond grinding plate. We've been selling this tool for over a decade. It's considered premium. Each segment versus the regular rectangle bars that our competitors sell. We even sell them called the full bars. Those are standard 40 millimeter by 10 by 10. This tool has more surface area versus those. And it also holds a very high concentration of diamonds versus the traditional diamonds. So it has a higher concentration of north of 25%. That's a lot of diamonds touching off on the floor, giving you a faster efficiency so you get more production rates per hour. Your wear rate, I mean, this tool is probably going to last 20,000 square feet on this set. That's a lot of square footage. So you're paying $29.68 for a true 16 grit. It's not synthetic. You can't grow them this big. So it's a true 16 grit. It stays in the alloy longer before rolling out and a new set of teeth appear. So you're using the maximum refinement that this tool can achieve. It can be good on heavy machines, on lightweight machines. For more information, message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives out of Minnesota, USA. Today, let's dive into the magic of PCDs. PCD stands for polycrystalline diamond. And like synthetic diamonds, PCDs are specifically designed to tackle those really stubborn coatings, glues, and mastics. Why? They're made up of multiple small diamond particles sintered together, which means they're incredibly tough and durable. Synthetic diamonds are great, but when it comes to heavy-duty tasks like removing thick coatings, PCDs have a distinct edge, offering a quicker and more efficient removal. Remember, the right tool makes all the difference, and with the PCD floor plate, you're equipped to handle all the toughest coating challenges. For more information, message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives out of Minnesota, USA. Let's talk about the Fast Prep 2022 grinder. Now, it's designed with attention to detail, compact for those tricky, tight spaces, but sturdy enough for larger tasks. With a solid 7.5 horsepower Baldor engine and reliable rotary gear system, it gets the job done, no fuss. Now here's a straightforward bit. With the Fast Prep, you can cover more ground in less time compared to many machines out there. And when it comes to costs, we've positioned it just right. You get value without breaking the bank. Now, coating removal, hard concrete prepping, or heavy stock removal, the Fast Prep 2022 gets it done efficiently. Now, it's not just about speed, but also about quality of work. It ensures a clean, even grind every time. Now, with years of experience in the industry, we've crafted a machine that simply works well. No frills, just solid performance. For more information, message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives out of Minnesota, USA. Today I want to discuss with you the RF magnetic series for the HTC floor grinders. This is so you're not married to a proprietary style of diamonds for your floor grinder. You will have retrofit freedom. You can choose the best diamonds for hard concrete, the best diamonds for soft concrete, utilizing many vendors for diamonds and creating your own toolbox. If you're aiming towards savings and trying to get the lowest cost per square foot and trying to save a couple of points, end of year, if you're saving something north of 5%, that's a lot of money by the end of the year. This way, you're creating your own toolbox. You're doing the research and development in your backyard with the diamonds you feel that are appropriate for your slabs. And you continuously do this to also try to, make your machine more efficient than it currently is. For more information, message me now.